This is a quick video to show you how to properly install the thread cones on your serger. Now, all sergers come with some sort of, these are called thread cone adapters, these little things here. And a lot of people think, well, they don't come off. Well, they do come off, and they come off for a reason. But see, a lot of people in videos have showing you their new sergers, and they're going like this. Well, look at my cones shake around. They're not at all steady. They don't really have to be steady if you're not moving your serger around. But the proper way to use these thread cone adapters is like this. Pull them off. Pull them both off. In fact, you can buy these things. Dritz sells these things. Go to Amazon, you can find them. You can buy them, all of them you want. You really only need 4 of them for each serger. This is what you do with them. You pull it off, take your thread cone, turn it upside down, drop it in, and push it with your finger. Then take your cone, put it up here on your machine, and look at that. Look at how steady that is. The same thing for this one here, this type. Take that and drop it in, push it up, put it on. I can do this better if I'm looking standing up, but there. Now see, that's pretty tight. Now you're going to say, well, what if I want to change the colors? What do I do? Well, say you want to change this one. Pull it off, take the Bic pen, go to the top of the cone, tap it, and there it is. It pops out. Put it in your next cone, tap it in place, drop it down on the cone, on the spool pin, and there you go. And look at how nice and solid those are. See that? And if they're not, look at it. See? Those aren't mounted properly. That's how you mount your thread cones on your serger. I hope you learned something from this.